Hi learners, welcome to my first life skills video called Baking a Cake with Millie, narrated by her mom, that's me, Miss Faith. So let's begin. Here's Millie. She wants to bake a lemon cake, her favorite flavor. We purchased this cake mix at the store, so we're going to start. The first thing we need to do is look at the back of the box to see what ingredients we need. So we're going to need a half a cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, and 3 eggs. We're also going to need a large bowl, a hand mixer or a whisk, a cake pan, and some butter. Now before Millie begins, she's going to wash her hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds before handling any food. She's going to measure 1 cup of water first. So there you go, there's her 1 cup of water. She's also going to measure a half a cup of vegetable oil. So there's that vegetable oil right there. And she's going to pour the water and the oil into the dry mix that she's already put in her bowl. Millie's going to then crack 3 eggs and mix the ingredients together to make the cake batter. So you can see she's recording herself for her TikTok. After mixing the batter for quite some time, probably about, what would you say, Millie, 7 to 10 minutes? She pours the cake batter into a grease pan. So I went ahead and greased that pan with butter. That's where the butter comes in. Millie then places the pan in the oven, and she's very careful not to touch the inside of the oven. She then sets the timer for 25 minutes. When the timer goes off, Millie uses the oven mitts to take the pan out of the oven. It's really hot, and then she needs to make sure that she's setting it on a surface that can handle that heat. So probably don't put the pan on anything that's plastic. Now, Millie's mom tells her to let the cake cool completely before applying the lemon frosting and the sprinkles. Do you think Millie listened to her mom's advice? Yes or no? If you circled no or guessed no or pointed to no, you would be correct. Millie did not listen to her mom's advice. She went ahead and frosted it. Nailed it. So here she is putting the sprinkles, and the lemon frosting is already there, but you can see that the cake kind of broke apart a little bit. But it was still pretty tasty. And next time we'll just probably try to keep it in the pan and let it cool completely. Millie said the directions said the cake would cool in 10 minutes, but it wasn't. It probably needed about a half an hour. But still a very good cake. Well, that's it for our first life skills lesson. I'll be back with some more. I hope you're all staying healthy.